What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about the 1999 to 2004 Mustang GT. Definitely a great way to start out the morning, getting breakfast over here at Whataburger. If you haven't had it, like you're not from the Texas area, it's definitely a thing you need to try if you come to Texas. I've heard that they're trying to expand, like going to different states, but definitely a good restaurant. But as far as numbers for the new Edge Mustang, it's going to have 260 flywheel horsepower with 302 foot-pounds of torque. Now, with those kind of numbers, obviously, I don't have to tell y'all that it's not going to be a speed demon, but if you're wanting a Mustang that's going to sound great, then yeah, it's not going to be a bad choice. And personally, I think that those two valves are the best sounding Mustangs out there. You know, if you put some long tubes on there, some Flowmaster Super 44s or even 40s, they sound really good. Now, when it comes to 0 to 60, the two valves, they can get to 60 in about 5.7 seconds, which isn't crazy quick, but it's definitely faster than other cars on the road. Now, when it comes to price, this is where it can get kind of iffy. Like, I was looking on Craigslist, you can find some, like I saw one with a minor front-end damage for about $500. It did have a lot of miles, but as I was looking around, I was finding some for good condition, like a 2003, 2004. You can find those for about $2,000 to $2,500 in relatively decent condition, and about 120 to 130,000 miles. Now, that is a lot of miles, but, you know, if you get these, obviously you're going to have to do a refresher. Now, definitely expect to spend some money on them because these cars are just about 20 years old. And with a 20-year-old car, I mean, things are definitely going to be breaking. So if you buy one of these, definitely expect to spend some money on it. Now, personally, would I buy one of these? Honestly, I wouldn't, just because I don't plan to supercharge it. I mean, if you're going to buy one of these and supercharge it, I mean, yeah, that's awesome. I mean, you can keep up with other Mustangs on the road. I mean, you can even keep up with the newer Mustang GTs, Camaro SSs, Challengers, stuff like that. But if you don't supercharge it, you can't really expect to beat anybody else on the road. And even with a full bolt-on car, I mean, you might get up to like 250 to 260 rear-wheel horsepower, which, if you look at all these four-bangers they're producing nowadays, I mean, you're going to be beaten by them. Now, I'm not at all saying that these are a bad car, because, I mean, if you are a huge Mustang fan and you just want a Mustang, a V8 Mustang, for a really, really good price, I mean, hey, this could be an awesome car for you. Or even if you're in high school and you're just getting into the Mustang crowd, but you still want that V8 Rumble, I mean, this would be an awesome car for you. And this would be an awesome car just to, you know, start learning stuff about cars and to modify and fix cars. But if you are going to go for this old of a car, I would definitely get a manual just so you can get all the power out of your car and just so you can have fun with it, really. Now, if you really like that new Edge body style, the Mach 1 and the Cobras are definitely a car that you can get that can definitely keep up with other cars. And honestly, I would love to have a Cobra or a Mach 1 just because they both have 4-valve engines. Now, obviously, the Cobra's going to be supercharged, but they're definitely quick cars. But if you are looking for a good project car, this could be a good car for you because if you build up the engine, supercharge it, you know, build up the suspension and everything, you can definitely have a quick drag car. But guys, that will do it for today's video. I would definitely stay tuned because there's going to be a Cars and Coffee tomorrow, and I'm going to be doing a review of someone else's car tomorrow, so there's definitely going to be some good videos coming out, but definitely stay tuned. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.